Hi guys, welcome back to this channel and to the second episode of Bloody Racing. Today we'll be together at the Cremona Circuit again, but this time with the Pitbikes, as finally we can get back on these little beasts and have some laps with some friends. Let's go! We just got at the track and we found a few wet patches, because we have to consider that the white lines and the grass will be tricky. Yes, as I was saying, white lines and grass can be tricky in these conditions. I'm not sure if you noticed. Yes, it happened. I was maybe a bit too excited and I got a bit too wide, maybe. And as you can hear, I'll show you now, the engine revved a bit more once I put my rear tire out of the track. So it's fun, and I was sliding at about 85 kilometers per hour on my ass. So there it is. So no big damages, and meanwhile my friend Quinza just got it here, so later we'll have some fun together. We got a bit of an issue with this bit. So what I'm going to build is use a bolt, put it beneath here. This hole that goes in there, so I can put a wire through it and make it safe. The first job didn't work well. Now I will change it with this. So guys, the girl is dead. Ignition failure. So that's it. It's the third time it happens, this kind of failure, and unfortunately it's not fixable on the track. Fortunately, I got a friend who's letting me use his bike for a few stints. Pretty hot in here, but yeah, good day, fun, and a lot of friends. Apart from the crash and the failure, it's always a good fun. So the bike is great. I had a lot of fun, and riding it with proper tires instead of my original tires, it's just a great feeling, and I enjoyed it a lot. And actually I met in the track another friend of ours, Nicola, who was running in his amazing 190cc Virale, which is like a big sport bike but smaller, so it has a proper fuel tank and two handlebars instead of the big one of ours, and it was amazing. And actually I could feel on my body the moment he opened the throttle as the speed and the pressure of his gases coming out of the exhaust. It was incredible. I was behind him, chasing him, and I could feel the air coming towards me, and that is something, you know, you don't expect from such small bikes. So the day is over. I can say I have a great amount of fun, and fortunately I had the chance to ride a lot. So next video will be either 2 days in Misano testing with the BMW with my team, Tecnica Moto, or 5 days at the Nürburgring with a friend of mine and his car and a few other cars. So stay tuned, take care, and see you next time. Oggi vi presento un mio amico, The Rock.
Smell what the Rock is cooking.
Ah, questa non è la sua moto. Sulla sua moto poi vi faccio vedere il motto che ha. Seguiamolo. Frase motivante. Frase motivante. Dai, che la gambeltai. Che la figura la gambeltai. Chi ha orecchie per intendere, intenda.